First, we discuss the question paper pattern of GATE 2021 of EC, Electronics and Communication Engineering. As we know, this question paper consists of two categories. The first category is called General Aptitude, GA, and the second category is the main subject paper, that is EC. In General Aptitude, there are two parts. The first part consists of question number 1 to question number 5. These are of MCQ type. Each carry 1 mark for the correct answer and 1/3 of the mark is deducted for each wrong answer. And the second part is from question number 5 to question number 10 of MCQ type, carry 2 marks for each correct answer and 2/3 of the mark is deducted if the answer is wrong. So there are total 10 questions in this category, and in the main subject category there are total 55 questions, and it consists of total 4 parts. The first part is from question number 1 to question number 15. It carry 1 mark for each correct answer and 1/3 of the mark is deducted if the answer is wrong. The second part is from question number 16 to question number 25. It also carry 1 mark for each correct answer, and there is no negative mark in this part. The third part is from question number 26 to question number 35. It gives 2 marks for each correct answer and 2/3 of the mark is deducted if the answer is wrong. The fourth part is from question number 36 to question number 55, and it carry 2 marks for each correct answer and there is no negative mark in this part. In this, the first part is of MCQ type, the second part is of numerical answer type, the third part is of MCQ type, and the final part is of numerical answer type. In this particular video, I will discuss the first part of the first category, that is General Aptitude, and in my second video I will discuss its second part, and then in my upcoming videos I will discuss part 3, part 4, part 5 and the last part, that is part 6. So I will make total 6 videos in this, and in this video I will provide the detailed solution and complete explanation of question number 1 to question number 5. So let us start with question number 1. This is the official GATE 2021 question paper of Electronics and Communication Engineering. You can download this from the official website of GATE. In General Aptitude, question 1 to 5 carry 1 mark each for the correct answer. Question 1 says the current population of a city is this and it has been increasing at the rate of 5%. Then what was the population 2 years ago? Now let us see the solution. The data that is given as the present population of the city is given as 11,02,500 and the increasing rate R is equal to 5% per annum and the time N is equal to 2 years. This problem can be solved by the use of compound interest formula, that is amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N, where A is the present population of the city and P is the population of the city 2 years ago. Now putting all the data in the above formula, 11,02,500 is equal to P multiply 1 plus 5 by 100 square. 11,02,500 is equal to P multiply 105 divided by 100 square. 11,02,500 is equal to P multiply 21 by 20 square. 11,02,500 is equal to P multiply 441 divided by 400. So P is equal to 11,02,500 multiply 400 divided by 441. That means P is equal to 10 lakh. So the population of the city 2 years ago was 10 lakh. Hence option C is the correct answer. This is very simple question. We have to use only the formula of amount. Now we proceed to the next question, that is question number 2. In question 2, it is given that P and Q are positive integers and P divided by Q plus Q divided by P is equal to 3. Then we have to find the value of P square by Q square plus Q square by P square. Now see the solution. It is given that P divided by Q plus Q divided by P is equal to 3. Now squaring both sides. So P divided by Q plus Q divided by P whole square is equal to 3 whole square. We know A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So P square divided by Q square plus Q square divided by P square plus 2P by Q into Q by P is equal to 9. Then P square by Q square plus Q square by P square is equal to 9 minus 2. That is P square by Q square plus Q square by P square is equal to 7. Now checking the option. Option B is the correct option. Now let us see question number 3. The least number of squares that must be added so that the line PQ becomes the line of symmetry is, we have to consider line PQ as the line of symmetry. So we have to make the mirror image of each box. That is box number 1, then box number 2, then this is box number 3, then this is 4, and this is 5, and this is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to add 6 squares. So 6 squares are added. So our answer should be option number C. Now let's see question number 4. Nostalgia is to anticipation as dash is to dash. We know nostalgia means a feeling of pleasure and also slight sadness when you think about things that happened in the past. In short, nostalgia means thinking about the past, whereas anticipation means a feeling of excitement about something that is going to happen in the next future. So in short, we can say anticipation means thinking about the future. So we can say nostalgia is to anticipation as past is to future. That means option C is the correct answer. Now let's see question number 5. Question number 5 says, consider the following sentences. First, I woke up from sleep. Second, I woke up from sleep. Third, I was woken up from sleep. And fourth, I was woken up from sleep. See, the word wake means to stop sleeping or to make somebody stop sleeping. The 3 forms of wake, that is present, past and past participle of wake is wake, woke, woken or waked. So if we see the sentence, the first sentence, I woke up from sleep, is true. So the first sentence is true. The second one is I woke up from sleep. This is the wrong statement. The third one is I was woken up from sleep. This is also true. And the fourth is I was woken up from sleep. This is wrong. So option B is the correct answer. 1 and 3 is the correct answer. So thank you for today. In the next video, I will discuss question number 6 to question number 10. And if you end up liking this video, please subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.